2012 Indian Wells semi-finals match between Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal was one of the most particular ones in their 38-match rivalry so far. The Swiss defeated the Spaniard in a straight-set meeting, 6-3, 6-2, on a very windy day. Federer hit very powerful shots throughout the match while the Mallorcan never really found the rhythm that day. The first semi-final had seen Novak Djokovic losing to John Isner. On Sunday championship clash, it was Federer to prevail over the American. Here you can see some of the best moments about the battle between Roger and Rafa.